Hi everyone, in front of me I've got TECNO Spark 30 and let me share with you how to change date and time on this device. So let's begin with opening the settings, and here we have to scroll down to the very bottom to find the system. Then let's tap on date and time, and here we've got some options which are currently inactive. So first of all, we have to turn off all of those switchers to turn off the automatic time and the time zone. And now we can freely tap on date and change it just by swiping, confirm it with OK. The same situation with the time, just by swiping and OK. Here we can decide what kind of clock format we'd like to use, either the 24-hour one just by tapping on the switcher, or 12-hour format just by turning it off. We can also select the time zone, just tap on this option and simply choose the time zone from the list. It will be immediately applied. You can also enter this option and turn on the dual clock just by tapping on the switcher, and basically your device will display the two different clocks with the time from the place you're currently in and from your home city of your choice, of course. So this is the whole manual customization of date and time, and of course you can go back to all previous settings, so the automatic options, just by tapping on those switches right here. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.